Hi, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Chef Abhishek Sehgal. I am Chef de Cuisine at the Westin Pune Koregaon Park. I would like to thank Amul India for the wonderful opportunity that they've given to me to share a recipe. So today I'll be doing a very comfort food wherein I'll be using most of the Amul ingredients. For example, cottage cheese, cream, Amul yogurt, and so I'll be doing a recipe. Uh, this will be like a cornflake crusted cottage cheese. I'll sprinkle some paprika spice over it, and I'll serve it with a queso. So queso is a Mexican cheesy dip, wherein I'll be using Amul cheese, and I'll be finishing it off with some jalapenos and some peppers. So the ingredients for the cheesy dip would be the cheese. I'll be using some peppers. I'll be using some jalapenos, some seasoning, and some cream to finish it with. So let's start cooking. So for the cheesy dip, we'll take almost around a teaspoon of an onion, chopped onion. We'll saute it. So we will saute onion for like good 2 minutes, and once onions are sauteed, then we'll add a little bit of jalapenos, which is like chopped, to give that spiciness to the to the sauce. Now we'll add some cream to it. We'll take it off from the flame so that it doesn't burn. We'll take a little bit of parsley, which is like chopped. We'll add a pinch of salt, and we'll make sure the amount of salt is not too much, because you'll be adding cheese also to it, so it doesn't get very salty. So at this stage, I think the cheese sauce is almost ready. So in the end, we'll just finish it off with by adding some grated cheese. And we'll warm it a bit so that the cheese melts. So once this the sauce is ready, we'll keep it on side, and we'll keep it. You can just have it warm along with the crusted cottage cheese. So this sauce is almost ready. So what I'll do is I'll just it up in a small bowl. So now, time to do something with the cottage cheese. So we have cottage cheese, which is then cut into like sticks. So what we're gonna do is we have a seasoned flour. So the point of dusting it with flour is you have that extra moisture into the cottage cheese. So you just want to get rid of it so that it doesn't just create a problem when it's frying. So what we're gonna do is we'll make a nice marination to it. We'll take cottage cheese, we'll dust it in a flour, and then after corn flour and the cornflakes, what I've done with the cornflakes is I've just crushed it a little bit and I've added a little breadcrumb to it so that cottage cheese. So let's get started and let's start making the marination for the same. So for the marination, we would want, this is a Greek yogurt that we are going to use. We'll take approximately 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. We'll take approximately a teaspoon of mustard. If I'm using a Dijon mustard, you can also use Kasundi. It also gives a equally good flavor. I'm using little bit of smoked paprika to the marination as well, and I'll also sprinkle some on the once it's fried. I'll add little salt to it. So I'll be using little bit of chaat masala to just give that tanginess to the dish. Approximately half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Approximately 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Again, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Approximately half a teaspoon of or maybe a full teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Little bit of parsley. So I'll give it a nice mix to it. See how lovely it's looking. And you have all the flavors in it. You have mustard, you have paprika, you have ginger garlic paste, you have parsley, you have chaat, you have cumin powder. So once it's marinated with cottage cheese and it's fried, it gives a altogether a different dish altogether. I mean, it will come out really good. So if you are a non-vegetarian, you can also use chicken instead of cottage cheese. That's absolutely fine. You can use the same marination and you can also replace cottage cheese with the chicken. So make sure that there are no lumps in the curd. Otherwise, it will be like very unevenly coated. So as you see, my lumps are all gone. There are no lumps. So the whole philosophy of food that I've learned in these years is that whatever you cook and whatever you eat, that it should take you somewhere, and that's what I've learned in my previous organization. So I mean, yeah, there's one renowned chef who taught us this, that whatever you cook and whatever you eat, that particular food should take you somewhere, and you should just think about your memories. Also, with having said that, so this particular dish takes me back to my childhood, where my dad used to cook fritters, of course Indian style. So it used to be like weekend, and we used to cook together, and he used to do a lot of Indianized fritters made of vegetables and all, which we generally call pakoras. Yeah. So now I am doing it with little westernized flavors. So let's now have cottage cheese. Coming back to this. So as you can see, there are a lot of moisture on this. So just to get rid of this moisture, we'll dust a little bit in the seasoned flour. This seasoned flour is nothing, just salt and flour, that's it. So now if you can see, there is moisture gone. So I'll just dip this into the marination that I've made. And one by one, we'll take it like this. And we'll crumb it in the cornflakes that I've done. That's mixed with a little bit of breadcrumbs, so that it evenly coats from all the sides. So I'll change my gloves. So yeah, nicely you can just coat all the cottage cheese with cornflakes and breadcrumbs. Meanwhile, I'm heating my oil so that it gets the right temperature for frying. So ideally, the temperature should be somewhere around 180 degree to 200 degrees Celsius, and it's the right temperature for the frying. I think we're good to do the frying now. Almost done. We'll take another 1 minute so that it gets a nice crispy golden color. keep stirring it, because all the cornflakes which is there on the coating as a coating, it will just get off. So yeah, it's time to plate now. So we will almost, during this session, if you feel like asking some question, I'll be more than happy to answer all of them once the session is done. So I think we're almost done with the frying, and now I think it's time to plate. So we'll, sprinkle some parsley on top and little bit of paprika powder. And if you want a bit more tanginess to it, we can also add a little bit of, chaat masala. So our dish is ready. So this is paprika spice cornflake custard cottage cheese along with the pepper and cheese queso. Thank you so much once again, Amul India, for giving me this opportunity and to showcase one of the recipe. Let's hope we keep coming back and keep showcasing our best dishes to you. Stay home, stay safe, do well.